If your car's check engine light is on, the problem may be with your oxygen sensor. To make sure, plug an OBD code scanner into your car's dashboard and check the error code that it gives you to see if it shows a problem with your oxygen sensor. You can find OBD error codes online or see your mechanic for more information. Once you've confirmed that you need to change the oxygen sensor, let your engine cool for at least 30 minutes before you try to handle it. If your car has 2 or more oxygen sensors, you may also need to jack up your vehicle so you can reach any sensors located under the car. To find the oxygen sensor, look for a part that resembles a spark plug with a thick, black cable attached to it. Most cars have a sensor located on the exhaust pipe next to the motor inside the engine compartment. You might find another sensor under the car, behind the catalytic converter. In more recent cars, look for 2 sensors in each of these locations. Once you find a sensor, follow the black cable emerging from it until you find the plug connecting it to the car's electrical system. Push down the small plastic tab at the end of the plug and pull the plug out of its outlet to disconnect it. If the end of the cable that's attached to the exhaust line is corroded or too stiff to unscrew easily, spray it with a penetrating oil, such as Kroil or liquid wrench. Then, let it sit for a few minutes. Unscrew the sensor with a 3/8 inch, 0.95 centimeter ratchet wrench fit with a 7/8 inch, 2.2 centimeter oxygen sensor socket. Turn the wrench counterclockwise until the old sensor is loose enough so that you can finish unscrewing it by hand. If possible, select a new sensor that is the exact same size, shape, and brand as the new one. Apply a small amount of anti-seize lubricant to the threaded end of the sensor and wipe the threads with a rag to spread the lubricant evenly. Most new sensors come with a small package of this lubricant, so you won't have to buy it separately. Fit the threaded end of the sensor into the port on the exhaust line and screw it in clockwise by hand. Then, tighten it with a wrench fit with an oxygen sensor socket. Finally, plug the electrical cable back into the outlet next to the exhaust line. Turn your car on and take it for a drive to make sure your vehicle is running smoothly and the check engine light is off.